Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best bathing suit cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of swimwear care. We all love our swimsuits, but let's be honest, they go through a lot: chlorine, salt water, sunscreen, and body oils. Over time, these elements can damage the fabric, fade colors, and lead to unpleasant odors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bathing suit cleaners to find the perfect solution to keep your swimwear looking and feeling its best. Number 5. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner 1400B. This is America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by millions of households. It's a reliable choice for keeping your home clean. This cleaner is designed to take the stress out of messes. It's scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains. The formula is ultra-powerful, with triple-action cleaning power. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving things looking like new. It features a large 48-ounce clean water tank. This allows you to clean more, without constant refills. Removing stains is easy with this cleaner: just spray, scrub, and suction. It's a simple process for effective cleaning. Don't just spread the mess around with paper towels. This cleaner deep cleans stains and odors from beneath the surface. With every purchase, you're helping save pets. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. What we like? This cleaner offers deep cleaning capabilities, effectively removing stains and odors. It's also incredibly easy to use: just spray, scrub, and suction. If you have pets or kids, and are constantly dealing with messes, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The product effectively removes sunscreen and body oil from swimwear. It helps to keep swimwear in good condition. Number 4. Gear Aid Revivex Suede Boot Cleaner and Conditioning Kit. Are your suede hiking or work boots looking a little worse for wear? This kit is designed to clean and condition your footwear, helping to extend their life and performance. It's the perfect solution for keeping your boots in top shape. This Revivex kit includes everything you need to clean and condition your boots. It's specifically formulated for suede and leather, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. This will help to maintain the look and feel of your boots. Keep your Gore-Tex footwear performing at its best. This kit helps to maintain the waterproof and breathable qualities of your boots. It's essential for staying comfortable and dry on the trail or at work. The process is simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have clean, conditioned boots in no time. It's a quick and easy way to protect your investment. By using this kit regularly, you can significantly extend the life of your boots. It protects them from the elements and keeps them looking their best. Give your boots the care they deserve. What we like? This product cleans and conditions, making it suitable for various materials. It also protects your footwear. If you are an outdoor enthusiast who needs to maintain the quality of your hiking or work boots, this is the one for you. What people say. The product effectively removes sunscreen and chlorine from swimwear. It helps to preserve the elasticity and color of the bathing suits. The cleaner is gentle on fabrics. Number 3. SinkSuds Travel Size Laundry Detergent 8 Packets. These travel-sized packets are designed for ultimate convenience. They are a must-have for any trip, allowing you to wash clothes wherever you go, whether in a sink, tub, or washing machine. Using it is incredibly easy. Just mix a packet with water, wash your clothes, and let them air dry. 1 packet is perfect for a few items, and 4 packets for a full load. These packets are pre-measured for your convenience and are TSA compliant. They easily fit into your carry-on or backpack, making them ideal for any journey. This liquid laundry detergent is safe for all types of clothing. It won't cause stretching, shrinking, or fading, and is gentle enough for delicates and baby clothes. It's the perfect travel-size toiletry for any adventure. Whether you're on vacation, a business trip, a cruise, or camping, it ensures you always have clean clothes. What we like? This travel-friendly detergent is safe for all fabrics and incredibly easy to use. Simply mix a packet with water, wash your clothes, and hang them to dry. If you are a frequent traveler or need a convenient solution for washing clothes on the go, you should consider this. What people say. Being able to quickly wash a few clothes in the sink made traveling way easier, especially when we didn't want to overpack. It dissolves easily and is a great quality product for the price. Gets clothes clean and smelling good. Number 2. Summer Solutions Suit Solutions. This product is made with high-quality materials. It's designed to last and provide excellent performance. You'll get a lot for your money with this purchase. It offers great features at a competitive price. Worried about chlorine ruining your swimwear? This product is specifically designed to protect your suits from damage caused by chlorine. Swimmers around the world trust this product. It's a popular choice for its effectiveness and reliability. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's the perfect solution for protecting your swimwear. What we like. This product is of high quality and offers great value, specifically designed to protect swimwear from chlorine damage. It's used by swimmers everywhere. If you like swimming, this is the perfect choice for you to extend the life of your swimwear. What people say. The product effectively removes sunscreen and body oils. The cleaner is gentle on the fabric. It helps to maintain the elasticity of the swimwear. Number 1. Solmar Suit Saver. Are you tired of your swimsuit wearing out quickly? This product is designed to help. It will extend the life of your swimwear. Swimmers all over the world are using this product. They trust it to protect their suits from the damaging effects of chlorine and sun. One bottle provides up to 50 washes. It's a cost-effective solution for protecting your swimwear. This product offers great value. It helps you save money by making your swimsuits last longer. You'll find it's a worthwhile investment. It protects your swimwear and saves you money in the long run. What we like. This product extends the life of your swimming suit and offers great value, with one bottle lasting for 50 washes. It's used by swimmers everywhere. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to care for your swimwear, you should choose this. What people say. The product effectively removes chlorine and salt. It helps to extend the life of swimwear. It is gentle on fabrics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.